Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabanta ka nursing but paramedical course, kabala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Presbyterian Church of India, ka puwedra uyayong arjar punrio. Ka pemenashi ki padriu nget jong ka balang, bahkan rakhi ya ke 46 Biennial General Assembly pada ke Centenary Jubilee ke Banlong ha ke Balang Presbyterian Putmuri. U Senior Administrative Secretary Reverend B.R. Khatnayor ringkat bak kinoi lam ke Balang ha ke jiakram bikilar pthai kubor. Klepentip bagi jinga seng kan sedang naduk ar papradri uyayong arajar punriu haduk lai tere ujemang arajar punriu. Bat ia gani jinga seng kan penlong ha ke Balang Putmuri naduk ar papradri uyayong arajar punriu haduk ke shidre ujemang arajar punriu. Badaka atri ujemang arajar punriu haduk ke sengi ublay kelai tri ujemang arajar punriu kan penlong ika jinga seng hamadan JN Stadium Polo Shillong. Lakmi lenti bagi delegate bagi dekot na keleng ki jaka kinwani chimbentalang lapentip u Reverend Khatnayor u balabatairu ika jing koridor jongan ika jing rakhi shispasnam.
Hakani kapon ngiawan kumne nagalianga General Assembly yang Balang Presbyterian dari India berkunjung ke Balang Presbyterian Putmuri kepada Host Church John kini ke program ke Berkepang ke 46 Biennial General Assembly bat ke Centenary Jubilee Celebration arja Apun Rio ke Banlong nadu ke Arpo Khandai tarik April hadu lai tarik Umi arja Apun Rio. So it gives me immense joy to express words of gratitude to all the esteemed members of the Press Club and also the Presbyterian Church of India, the officials, the committee members, the invitees, well-wishers, and the delegates of the 46th Biennial General Assembly and the Centenary Jubilee Celebrations 2026 who have made arrangements to attend this auspicious event to be held at our church, the Putmuri Presbyterian Church Shillong, on the set date, 29 April to 3rd May 2026. And we hope and pray that our journey together during this remarkable event will be a milestone leading to yet another landmark in the history of the Presbyterian Church of India. And we wish all of you well and may you have a wonderful time during your stay in this eventful program. And we pray for the presence of God and His abundant blessings to nourish our spiritual thirst as we come together in active participation during the biennial and the centenary Jubilee celebrations 2026. Ka program kan sedang nado ka Arpo Pratrik hakaba kidokhat jong ka executive committee jong ka Presbyterian Church of India kin one di ngin sedang ngiliting seng aga puan menmiet nyong beje ya kabanyalam daga Balang Host Church di hakat Arpo Khandai April tindan ki committee ki prepare pada kerja popular Arpo Khandai terik janmiet ki delegates na ki khatway ki sinod but kaway ke provisional synod ngin one but ni community na ki araja sanspa ngot ki delegates na ki khatar tali ki synod untuk ke provisional synod kenya one manyanon ka ha kani keding kemenjongi ha kani final meeting kejongi but ni community ha ka laiterik kasih try ke Sunday kita seng paro haka pos siteng bat siteng ngin long hantai ha GN complex haka jo por ngin bo ki giant screen na benta kito ki bamnyam show ha ka stadium Ingin penonton tu ya ke second ground, pada ke jual kupor ke parking lot pada next camp, bagi community bagi rumah na kita pun terlikisnya kenwan seperti kita sing ke bahaya ke besar jingkan mau, but we are expecting like lots of faithfuls to be able to come this time to worship together and to celebrate the Jubilee. Centenary Jubilee together. So we would request for all those who made plans to worship along with us, especially on the 3rd May Sunday, that in a few days time we are going to air regarding the how then that we can come to the venue for this eventful occasion. I mean, we will try to elaborate more regarding the way where to reach. We have prepared in such a way, we are working together along with the traffic department, government Meghalaya, and we are working neck and neck and closely with the government regarding this occasion. Kalau kita kerpa bah itu kita pun kere ialah dewan wan kamtang kesin try pin smobha ban pet ngin sa ai jintit ding ba press or through social media kumno bangila ban koi siya kan kita sing hamaran pulo nagi lenti kita prepare kita giwan na dibuhay giwan na West Coast Hills, kibuan na Gante Hills, pag kibuan na Kaleng, kumno bigyan akong poy sa Maranpulo, pag kumjo ro, hakini kijingasang dibangingin stang na ro kami at ako pratrik hakabalang Presbyterian Fruitmodi, kapaday ka host church ng kanili event. Nikuwaro panpanapad ba ka-arterik sinisadaan kakuat siteng, kandon ki inaugural service ikiting rakhi joni ikiting dap shispas nam jong kapalang Presbyterian hari India kani kanlong hamadan hai stadium te hakatu basni kandon ka jingplat ba ka souvenir kandon ka hosting of the flag but kandon ki kijing ai ki wakapang kita di belano senyang ya kapalang Presbyterian hari India.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot ikasnong nang ikwayo sngo bahan ikasnong the lakot kalayat Dikila pen sngo hina snong iki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ruki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi yaki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala ban wan kane kawai ka project bagi don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki bay yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha kajalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan let shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan let shaki local. Other than that, kashulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namarba ka ka bapi amnot ngiru hang ni Shuaban take up yung ganun project. Hindi ban suto bakla. Habang warra yaki investment. Habang warra yaki bakum kinigi project. Net yang nga opi kabakado ka jing mantoy. Kanlong yangi ki konsama.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.